How to transfer crypto from Bitget Wallet to Binance Exchange. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Wallet to Binance Exchange. If you've been wondering how to do this safely and easily, just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So, to transfer crypto from Bitget Wallet to Binance Exchange. First things first, you need to launch your Bitget wallet on your device. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to do that now. Once you're logged in, you should see your wallet's main interface. Now, to transfer your crypto, look for the Send option. This will only appear if you have some cryptocurrencies in your Bitget wallet. If it does not appear, click on More and you will find it here. Once you spot it, go ahead and tap on Send. Next, you'll be prompted to select the token you want to send. Let's say, for example, you want to send Ethereum. Simply select Ethereum from the list of available tokens. At this point, you'll be asked to provide a receiving address. To get this address, open up your Binance app. On the home page, tap on the Add Funds option and then select Deposit Crypto. Use the search bar at the top and type in Ethereum. Once you've selected it, you will be asked to select the network. Make sure to select the same network from Bitget Wallet. For now, it's ERC20. Once you select the network, you'll see a QR code along with the deposit address. Copy the address from here. Now, go back to your Bitget wallet and paste the Binance deposit address in the required field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Once you're ready, tap on the Confirm button at the bottom. On the next screen, you'll need to finalize the transaction. Simply review the details and wait for the transaction to be completed. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Bitget Wallet to Binance Exchange. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.